In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste formatting in and between Microsoft Word documents. If you have text in a Microsoft Word document with formatting that you want to use somewhere else, you don't have to manually recreate all of those formatting settings. Microsoft Word provides tools that allow you to copy formatting from one section of text and apply it to another section, whether you're working in the same document or between different Word documents. To begin, open your Microsoft Word document and locate the text that already has the formatting you want to copy. This could include the font, font size, text color, bold or italic styling, or other formatting applied to the text. Select the text that contains the formatting you want to copy. Make sure you select the portion of text with the appearance you want to use as the formatting source. Once the text is selected, go to the Home tab at the top of the Word window. Look for the Clipboard group, where you'll find several tools for copying and pasting content. Select the Format Painter option. This tool allows you to copy the formatting from your selected text without copying the actual words or other content. After selecting Format Painter, your cursor will be ready to apply the copied formatting. Move your cursor to the text where you want to use that formatting and select the text. Microsoft Word will immediately apply the copied formatting to the new text. The words themselves will remain unchanged, while their appearance will match the formatting you copied. This same method can also be used between separate Microsoft Word documents. If you have one document containing the formatting you want and another document where you want to apply it, you can use the same Format Painter tool to transfer the formatting between them. When working between documents, make sure both documents are open so you can easily move between the source text and the text you want to format. Select the properly formatted text in the source document, choose Format Painter from the Home tab, and then move to the other document and select the text you want to change. This is especially useful when you're trying to keep the formatting consistent across multiple documents. Instead of checking each formatting setting individually, you can copy the appearance from text that's already formatted correctly and apply it to another section. Remember that Format Painter copies the formatting rather than the actual text. This means the content you're applying it to stays the same while its appearance is updated. And that's how you can copy and paste formatting within and between Microsoft Word documents using Format Painter. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks